Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for this video. Today I'm going to flip through the February section in my classic catch-all planner. This is the planner that I put all of my daily plans in, but I also decorate this planner because my other planners I don't decorate. I just pen and paper, that kind of thing in them. So this planner is very special to me because I do put a lot of work into it, and it is a planner that I will be keeping forever because of all the beautiful spreads and now memory keeping that I do in this book. I started memory keeping again. If you missed my January flip through, definitely check that out. This is my February one. First, I want to start off with my currently page. Right now, I'm making these exclusive videos on my channel, or on my Patreon, where you can watch me create this spread right here. But this is my February currently page where I just took some pictures from the month. And then I did a little bit of journaling in them. I tried to pick ones, like the important ones that happened. I can only fit so much on this little sheet here, and did a little bit of journaling. Have some cute little stickers. I mixed stickers in, and then also these fun little, these are like little pad or papers that my sister gave me. She's got a bunch of these cutesy little things. Like, look how cute this one is. So cute. This little strawberry one, and then that one, and then these were all stickers that I got from Groovy Seasons sticker book. I'm going to reference the books that I used in these spreads, but yeah, I did use Groovy Seasons, and of course some box sticker books. Yeah, some boxes here, a little bit of washi, but I love how this turned out. If you want to see how I made it, join my Patreon. That's the lowest tier, gets access to that. Okay, so that's my currently. Like I said, I've tried to be better about doing my currently pages in my planner because it just feels more complete to have that done. So I've been trying to be on top of that. Okay, next we're going into my monthly. So my monthly, oh, I forgot to pull the sticker book that I used for this. But this is my monthly. I'll grab it in a little bit. I did a Squad Girls theme spread here. I can't find the book, but I'll put a little screenshot of the book that I got this from because it is a new Squad Goals sticker book from the Happy Planner, and they had these really cute Squad Girls with the Valentine theme. So of course I had to do a Valentine theme for February. So this is where I put all of my plans, like bigger plans, appointments, things like that, birthdays, and no work days. I like to just put them on here. Oh, and I did something cute with this. I did some little hearts and put things that I love. I think that's what I was doing. Yeah, because it's February. I think it was things I love in these little hearts. So yeah, that is my February current or monthly page using the awesome little Squad Girls. Next, this is a Disney spread. I always like to do a Disney spread in my planner, especially if I'm going to Disney, which I did go to Disney. I have a Disney date right there. So I used this Bo Happy sticker book. This one's really cute. I did this color scheme, the purple and the blue, which was more Daisy's color scheme from this book. I've used this a couple of times. It's a really cute book. So yeah, I used that one. Some areas didn't fill in, but one thing that I like to do in these kind of in my planner is fill in any empty space with some mild liners. So I just kind of find coordinating mild liners that match this spread, and then just draw in some lines, and I like the look of that. So that helps. Also, I'll go in with stickers. Like I can go in and pull stickers from here and maybe add like a little heart over here to fill in this area. You know, stick stickers down. Use more of the stickers. So yeah, that is Bo Happy sticker book for this spread. Next, I have this Valentine's theme spread since this is the week of Valentine's Day. So I used this seasonal love sticker book from Live Love Posh. This is a really cute book. It has all this fun paper and these layered boxes. There's also scrapbook paper and all kinds of stuff in here. So I really enjoyed using this one. It's nice and pink and red, perfect for Valentine's Day. And I think I just had to only use this book. Yeah, I didn't have to pull any other books. This one had everything in it. It's a great book. But yeah, use this to make a cute Valentine spread. Again, went in with the mild liner, little marks here, just to fill in some empty spots. So that one turned out really nice. Okay, I can't find the book for this, but this is Cafe Coquette. This is another new sticker book. I'll do a little screenshot again of this one. This one's really pretty too. I like the browns and the pinks. I also like to do different themes for each week. I like to flip through my planner and it be a different vibe every time I flip through it. So we have this like fun blue and pink one. And then this is like really pink. And then we have some coffee. This gives me like coffee vibes because of the brown. I love the little line artwork. This is a really cute book. So yeah, that was Cafe Coquette sticker book. And then this one, oh yeah, this was my mom's birthday. So usually for birthday spreads, I like to do something that reminds me of that person. And I don't know why, but this aesthetic reminds me of my mom. So I use the Moody Blooms sticker book. I also pulled in some other sticker books for this because I know I pulled sticker books from the Happy Planner. I'll try to be better about keeping those books aside so that way when I review my spreads I can really show all of them. But the main book was this Moody Blooms, and then I did pull some like quotes and stuff like that from like a basic black kind of book from Happy Planner. If you watch my videos, I show all the books that I use in there. I love the little butterflies. I love butterflies. Whenever I can put a butterfly in a spread, I will put a butterfly in a spread. And I think I got them from this book. Oh yeah, I got them from this page. I was using this section of the sticker book, and then I realized I should look through this book, and then I saw the butterflies, which I felt matched perfectly with this theme. So absolutely love how this turned out. So pretty. And again, it's a completely different vibe. You flip through and it's like a completely different color scheme. Even though I do have another floral spread in my planner like this one. Again, very, very different floral kind of spread. But yeah, that is my mom's birthday week spread. And that is February in my planner. So I'll just do a little quick flip through again. So we got my currently page, the monthly, the first week, second week, third, and then the fourth. It was a good month. All right, so that's February in my planner. I hope you enjoyed watching as I flip through all of my spreads for February. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.